How to verify your identity on Upwork. Upwork will routinely ask clients and freelancers to verify their identities. When it's time for you to verify, Upwork will send you a notification via your email or when you log into your Upwork account. So if you have received any email or notification in your Upwork account, then it's time to verify your account. Now, there are multiple types of identity verification, such as government ID, location for US, government ID and location, visual, and phone number. Sometimes Upwork will ask you to verify one of those, other times, it will ask you to verify all of the options. So, after you have been notified, you have 7 days to complete the verification before your account is put on hold. Before you begin, you want to make sure that you're ready with your valid government issued ID. The country on your Upwork profile should match the country of your ID. You also want a phone with working camera. Now, you want to start the verification process. For that, click on the Get Started button. Now, you want to use your mobile device to scan the QR code or receive a text message for verification. When prompted, upload a clear photo of your government issued ID, such as passport, driver's license. When you take the photo, make sure that you take it from above with the ID lying on a flat, dark surface. Don't cover up any part of the ID or your face and leave margins on all sides of the image. If the images requested are captured successfully and match your profile information, your identity will be verified instantly. In some cases, Upwork may need to review the documents you submitted and ask for more information, which may make this process take longer. When this happens, Upwork will be in touch through email, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.